Let's go over some common performance issues and how to fix them. Do your clothes seem more wrinkled than normal after a wash cycle? Don't overload the drum with too much laundry. If the drum is too tightly packed, clothing may wrinkle. It is also a good idea to check the spin speed. If the spin speed is set too high, it may form unwanted wrinkles. Lower the spin speed to match the garment type. If laundry is left in the drum for too long after a wash, unwanted wrinkles may set in. Always remove items from the washing machine as soon as a cycle has finished. Lastly, make sure your cold water inlet is not connected to a hot water supply. Invertedly rinsing your clothes with hot water can set wrinkles in garments. Once a stain has set in your clothes, it may be difficult to remove. Pre-treat the clothing with extra care, corresponding to the stain and fabric type. Each stain is unique and requires special attention. You may have to consult or search for expert stain removal guides. To prevent staining, properly sort your laundry. Always separate dark colors from light or white colors to prevent color transfers. Also, avoid washing heavily soiled items with lightly soiled items. Never add bleach or softener directly into the drum. Be sure to always use the dedicated dispenser for bleach and softeners. Also, make sure you don't overfill a compartment. Bleach or softener may be dispensing too soon. Make sure to close the detergent dispenser slowly to prevent spillage. Thank you for using LG washing machines.